Take a ride in the 2008 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear seat entertainment system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, engine hour meter. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.